Hi, welcome everybody. My name is Dr. Liz Musil, and I'm here to introduce myself to you and talk to you a little bit about my background. I have been a doctoral and dissertation mentor since 2015, and I want to talk to you a little bit about my teaching philosophy, what my major strengths are, and how I could perhaps help you in this doctoral journey. So let's get in and let me talk a little bit about myself. So basically, I have a Doctor of Management in Organizational Leadership. I have a Master's in Information Technology, a Master of Arts in Organizational Management, and a Bachelor's in Liberal Studies. So all over the place. But my big interests are information technology when it comes to the web and business and all those kinds of things, cloud-based strategy teams, because I believe now that everybody needs to work pretty much online in one way or another. Even if you have a company job that is traditional, you might be managing and leading people in different locations and globally. And I focus on leadership and communication, one of my strengths. I also have about 15 years corporate experience in banking, commercial lending, and finance, as well as having worked in project management as far as developing enterprise level information technology applications like e-commerce websites. So anyway, basically about me, I'm a professor, I'm a dissertation faculty, I'm an IRB professional, that's Institutional Review Board, which really dictates and talks about ethical research. You will learn about IRB in your dissertation process, a digital media strategist and a mentor and coach. So I have an extensive academic background and 2 decades of experience as an online entrepreneur. I have been teaching online and on ground for 20 years as well. I'm passionate about helping others and navigating the intricate web of research, virtual business processes, design, technology, you name it. My expertise is in research-based virtual business processes, online entrepreneurship and technology strategies, instructional design for organizations and universities. That means I write some of these online courses. An IRB professional for doctoral research projects. I do not serve as an IRB board member at Walden. I do other places, but I am well versed in all the requirements and laws and ethics of IRB. My professional milestones are university professors specializing in business research and information technology. I'm an author. I have several published books on virtual business process and leadership, as well as being a web developer for a knack for creating online solutions. So I've worked as a project manager, as a developer. I also have my own online blog and business with a partner that's just some community outreach to benefit our community. I have a consulting background as well. I've had the privilege of offering my insights to a diverse array of industries, from entertainment, music, to banking, fashion, and so forth. So I have a lot of experience in a lot of industries. My unique combination of academic rigor and practical experience makes me an ideal coach for doctoral students, entrepreneurs, educators, and organizations eager to maximize their potential. So if this sounds good to you and you get to point of your study, let's connect. I also do want to talk to you a little bit about my statement of teaching philosophy. So I think the qualities of a great professor are enthusiasm for the material and the ability to break down complex concepts. So I continually adapt my instructional strategies to meet the requirements of my students at the evolving landscape of education. It's essential for maintaining an engaging and inclusive educational climate. So again, as we know, things are changing every day, artificial intelligence, requirements, technological process. So it's my passion is to stay current with what's going on and make all of this as interesting and fun as possible for students. As a professor, I strive to make meaningful impact in my field, but staying informed on the latest breakthroughs. I encourage students to think critically and ask pertinent questions and apply what you've learned. I strive to provide you with academic grounding and practical skills you'll need to thrive in the real world. And I want you to leave here better equipped to become leaders, both artistically, ethically, and professionally, and responsibly through this kind of learning and mentoring. My teaching philosophy hinges on three elements: engagement, commitment, and quality. I want you engaged and enthused about what we're studying and learning. This is tough, right? Doctoral learning is kind of tough, and there's going to be some patches that are going to be more fun than others. But, with your commitment and quality of teaching, I want to keep it as positive and interactive as possible. So I focus on interactive teaching methods, consistent follow-up, and a dedication to strategic learning. I am committed to developing and delivering the finest educational possible. So if you think I can be of assistance to you, my name is Dr. Liz Musil. I would love to work with you. And thank you so much for taking a few minutes to listen to this video. Take care.